Lava has debuted the Agni 3 5G smartphone in India with features like a 2.5D curved screen, 120Hz refresh rate, 67W fast charging, and more. The device competes with the likes of Oppo F23 5G, OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G, Realme 10 Pro, and more. Lava Agni 3 5G specifications. Operating system, Android V14. Chipset, MediaTek Dimensity 7200. GPU, Mali G610 MC4. Display type, IPS LCD, 16M colors, HD, 120 Hz. Display size, 6.67 inches. Screen protection, Corning Gorilla Glass V5. Pixel density, 403 ppi density. Screen resolution, 1080 x 2460 pixels. Base memory internal base, starting with a 128 GB 8 GB RAM. Camera, triple 64 MP f 1.79 primary camera, 13 MP wide-angle camera, 2 MP macro camera. Image resolution, 9000 x 7000 pixels. Main camera video, 4K 30 fps, 1080p 30/60 fps. Front camera, 32 MP, primary camera. Front camera video, 1080p 30 fps. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 802.11. Bluetooth, 5.3. USB, Type-C 2.0. Sensors, side fingerprint sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor. Battery type, lithium polymer battery, 5000 mAh. Weight, 196 grams. Charging, 67W wired. Price, $350 expected price.